Welcome students, I am Twin sir. Now I am going to explain about triangle. Let's define it. What is triangle? In a plane figure which is bounded by three line segments. Take once AB, BC and another one CA. So three line segments are there and it is bounded also. So this type of shape or this type of figure is known as triangle. From this we can write three line segments which is known as sides. So what is this? Sides. First one AB. So write there AB. Next one BC. Write there BC. Another one CA. In cyclical order we have to mention the name. So another one CA. Because of line segment we have to give bar. Okay. So in this triangle three sides are there. Next one vertices. How many vertices are there? Actually check once. 3 A, B and C. Three vertices are there. So put the name A, B, C. Next we have to identify the angle's name also. Triangle, obviously three angles are there. So we have to mention their name. Angles. First one. This. Okay. A, B, C. Right here. A, B, C. Next angle, this one. So your vertex C. That's why B, C, A. Next angle, B, C, A. Another one angle also there. Vertex A. So angle name C, A, B. Angle name C, A, B. Clear? Okay. Now we have to know the types of triangles. So let's start with on the basis of side. What type of triangles are there? Mainly three types of triangles are there on the basis of side. First one equilateral triangle, next one isosceles triangle and third one scalene triangle. Now first one equilateral triangle where all the sides are same in length. All the sides means here PQ equals to QR equals to RP. All the sides are same in length. Now next one isosceles triangle. What is this? Any two sides are equal. In our figure AB equals to AC. Okay. So only two sides are equal, then this type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Now, scalene triangle. What do you mean by scalene triangle? Where all sides are not equal. Take once, come right. DE not equals to EF not equals to FD. All are not equal. This type of triangle is known as scalene triangle. Now I will explain on the basis of angle. There are also three types of triangle. First one acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle, another one right angled triangle. Check one students. Already I have given one. Say acute angled triangle. Say every angle 60 degree. Every angle equals to 60 degree. That means less than 90. So acute angle triangle where all the angles equals to 60 degree is. Then this type of angle also known as equilateral triangle. Say acute angle triangle, but everywhere is 60 degree. Then also this type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Clear? But in case of acute angle triangle, always remember three angles are always less than 90 degree. Clear? Next one. Obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angle means value within 90 degree to 180 degree. More than 90 degree will be there, but less than 180 degrees will be there. So this one, this angle 120 degree. Clear? Now say this one 30 degree and this one also 30 degree. Now check once. Only one angle is more than 90 degree. So this type of triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. And one thing remember, in this shape of triangle, only one angle should be obtuse. Others are acute. Next, right angle triangle. I have already mentioned one shape. This shape is indicating 90 degree. Clear? Others are obviously acute angle. So put the value. Then this one 45 degree and this one also 45 degree. So others are acute. And another one, when you will know about the property of triangle, then you will get when you will add three angles, then always it will be 180 degree. So one property is what? Sum of these angles or sum of three angles of any type of triangle is equals to 180 degree. Clear? So today I have explained not only about the angle but also types of triangles. Clear? And these types of triangle also two types. One on the basis of sides, another one on the basis of angles. On the basis of side also three types, and on the basis of angles also three types of triangles are there. Clear? So students, look this video again and again and try to practice at home. Thank you students.